All KUTAVAR machines are highly configurable for your needs, with a range of optional extras and upgrades that can be installed from new or at a later date. One of the optional extras that our customers often opt for is the engraving head. The engraving head allows operators to use it for pre-bend lines or pre-drilled holes, or even marking your plate. Another common optional extra is the oxy-fuel gas cutting head. This system can be configured on the zoned extraction tables, and it gives you the option of cutting up to 100mm mild steel. The oxy-fuel cutting torch sits directly above the main cutting torch on the gantry. This means it has a simple changeover, making it easy for the operator to change from plasma to oxy-fuel. The HVAC cutting slats is another feature that some of our customers opt for when running with a new KUTAVAR system. The slats are designed for when increased contact is necessary between thin material and the table itself. The HVAC slat provides greater stability for the material, maximising your cut quality on thin material. All KUTAVAR machines are manufactured to work with the hypertherm plasma range, from the single phase 45 amp machine right through to the XPR high definition range. With all KUTAVAR tables, you can change from a standard air plasma through to a Max Pro 200 or even the XPR range, still running on the same table. As a manufacturer of CNC plasma cutting tables, we work with other OEMs around the world that specialise in fume extraction and compressor systems. Working with these other OEMs gives us as a manufacturer the complete flexibility of offering our customers a turnkey package. Should you require any of these optional extras or upgrades, please get in contact with us so that we can discuss further.